Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thank you for tuning in. To start off with, I want to say I'm sorry that I have been absent. It's been crazy over here. I have a daughter that just started middle school, so that's a little bit hectic, and I have a daughter that's also in 12th grade, and she is in high school and early college. So I'm running all the time. My older daughter, because of Corona, did not get her permit when she should have. Thank you, Corona. But I wouldn't change a thing because my kids' education to me is the most important thing. But I am going to try to start posting as much as I can. And I just want to say sorry to all my subscribers for not posting in a good while. I'm sorry. All right, with that being said, today I am going to make a garlic naan pizza. Now, if you don't like garlic, they have plain ones. You don't have to get garlic, but everybody in my house loves garlic. I was buying this, and we were just eating it with anything. And I was like, wow, let's try to make a pizza. Well, I'm not supposed to eat pizza sauce, so I use Alfredo on mine. And actually, when I make both of them, everybody seems to go to the Alfredo instead of the pizza sauce. So I'm going to share with y'all how I do it. And it's going to be an easy, quick meal for, like, if you're busy like I am. Throw it together, dinner's done, and everyone loves it. So let's go with it. What I have today is this. I'm making enough for my family, so that's why there's so much on here. I think these have, oh, there's 3 in each one. No, 4. So this is going to be 8, and that might be too much, so I may not make all of them. But I'm going to cook some bacon. And I'm just going to cut it up in little pieces and cook it. I have some chicken breast left over that I have froze, so I'm going to cut it up and cook it. Also, we have some mozzarella cheese, Alfredo sauce, and these are the seasonings I'm going to use for my chicken. A little bit of Italian, onion powder, and garlic, and it is going to be delicious. Today, I'm also going to not taste test this when I am done, because I'm trying to switch things up a little bit and not only do cooking videos. We're going to have some surprises coming for people. Today, I am going to cook this, and then I'm going to end it off, and I'm going to do my first ever mukbang with one of my daughters, and my other daughter is going to be asking us questions. So that's going to be interesting, but it's going to be fun. All right, let's get started. I put a little bit of olive oil in my pan for my chicken. I'm going to put it in after I've done chopped it up. As far as the seasoning goes, you can add what you want. Let me sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and Italian seasoning. I love Italian seasoning, so I'm going to add a little bit of that. And let it cook. I washed this off, by the way, with soap because I had chicken on it, just so everybody know, before I use it for the bacon. The bacon, we're going to do the same thing. I may not use all this, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. And I'm just going to make these. It'll be good size once they cook. This is the bacon. I ain't going to add no grease or oil or nothing because, this puts off enough on its own. So. Alright, I'm going to turn the oven on so it can be preheating. I'm going to put it for 350. And it'll be preheating while this finishes up. We're going to be able to do 2 at a time. You can always put pizza sauce. I have to eat this, and everybody in my house seems to like this actually over pizza sauce. So cheese sauce will probably be good too, actually. But you can put whatever toppings that you like. I haven't tried it with all toppings, but I know what I'm doing today is very good. Okay, cheese is on. I'm going to add some chicken. Some bacon. Try to spread it out. I kind of got it in a clump there. Okay. Okay, put them in the oven just till cheese melts. And I will be back in just a couple minutes to let you know how long it actually took. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Oh yes, and it is done. Oh, look how good. Okay, I'm going to close this video out. I'm not going to taste test because I'm getting ready to do a mukbang for y'all. So, please stay tuned for that video to be coming out. This one will come out first, but it will be not too long after. That being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you. Have a blessed day.